This is how you get stair nosings fitted properly in the UK. The reason why some stairs feel insecure is because the nosings become loose, squeaky and misaligned. The homeowner needed a finish that's safe, aligned, and durable. Some common mistakes are wrong fixings, no adhesive, poor alignment. We use grab adhesive to ensure secure installation. Always check British standard tolerance. Nosing must sit flush within plus or minus 3 millimeters. When done right, nosings stay solid for years. No squeaks, no trips. Want the best flooring for your stairs? Check the links in the description.